Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to navigate for the first time through an airport. First thing first, make sure you have all your travel documents ready before you leave home. This includes your passport, your visa, your travel insurance, your boarding pass and your flight tickets. Make sure you arrive at least 3 hours before your flight time. Once you enter the airport, check these flight information monitors to know the check-in counter of your airline. Head to your check-in counter. Here you will be asked for your travel documents and your luggage will be checked in. Do not carry such things as showing on this signboard. After checking in, you will get your boarding pass. Proceed to the immigration counter. After that, you will go through security checkpoint. Once you are through security, head to your gate. You can find your gate number on your boarding pass. If you have some time before your flight, take a look around the airport and grab a bite to eat or do some shopping. In our case, the gate number was 21, so we followed the gate signs from 1 to 26 and sat nearby our gate, and as soon as the boarding started, we boarded our flight. And that's it. We hope this video has been helpful for those who are traveling through an airport for the first time. I hope this helps. And please do not forget to subscribe.